trying to connect your Roku TV to a Xfinity hotspot but stuck because there's no login page? You're not alone. Since Roku doesn't have a web browser, it can't show the Xfinity sign-in screen natively. Today I'm showing you the hotel and dorm bypass and the MAC address registration trick that you can use to start streaming in under 2 minutes. Let's get connected. Okay, now let's firstly try the official Roku way. So you go to Settings, Network, Setup Connection, and choose Wireless. Find the Xfinity Wi-Fi or just Xfinity Network and select it. Once it tries to connect, a message will pop up saying I am at a hotel or a college dorm. Select that. Roku will now show a prompt asking you to connect your smartphone to a temporary Wi-Fi network created by the TV. On your phone, join that temporary network and the Xfinity login page will automatically pop up. Enter your credentials and your Roku is authenticated. It's that simple. And if that didn't work, we're going to pre-approve your TV. So on your Roku, go to Settings, System, About, and find your wireless MAC address. On your phone or laptop, log into your Xfinity account and navigate to Devices and register a device. Type in your Roku's MAC address and save it. Now, when you select the Xfinity network on your TV, it should bypass the login screen entirely because Xfinity already recognizes your hardware. No more login loops. And you're now live with Xfinity Wi-Fi. Hopefully this sorted you out, guys. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe.